Hello friends, welcome to the orbit of the coding. So today I'm going to show you how to install SQL Server. So if you need to install SQL Server in your system, so simply you can go to the learn.microsoft.com. So SQL Server is a Microsoft product. So you need to go to the site and download the file of the SQL Server. So I already opened the link learn.microsoft.com, and here you can see that the SQL Server guidelines are there. So simply if you can go to the below of that page, then you can see that which version you need, which edition or which version you need to install SQL Server. So here you can see that multiple editions are there: 2040, 60, 70, 90, and 2020-22. So 2020-22 is the latest version of SQL Server. So simply you can click on the SQL Server 2020-22. Here you can see that screen should be pop up, and simply you can go to the download SQL Server, and once you click, the SQL Server should be downloaded. So I have already downloaded in my system. So you can see that SSMS setup ENU type of file should be downloaded in your download folders. So SSMS, it means SQL Server Management. So once you click on the setups, so here you can see that Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio with Azure Data Studio. So Azure Data Studio is also is an additional feature which would added in SQL Server. So nowadays, if you need to work on Azure Data Studio or Azure Clouds, then you can also configure at that time of installation. So here you can, guys, you can see that I have already installed on my system. So we don't need to. So if you need to like separate steps how to install, then please comment in please put comment in my comment section, so I will show you the proper steps how to install. But as of now, uh, in my system it's already installed in SQL Server. If you have any issues, then put in the comment, I will show you on the detailed basis. So here you can see that I have already installed. So once I open the SQL Server, here you can see that it will take few seconds to open the SQL servers. I'm closing, it's opening SQL Server Management Studio. So these are your work area to learn SQL Server. These are the tools where you can find. So at the time of installation, you need to put server name, or if you need to put authentication, in the authentication username and password you need to put. But simply we don't need to select the authentications. We have a default server name dot. I can use a dot server name. Once you click connect, then database engine should be connected to the SQL Server. You can see that. So thank you, guys. So on the next video I will show you uh, and I will explain what is SQL Server and how to use it. Thank you for this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. And don't forget to like and subscribe this channel to complete SQL Server tutorials.